Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun. Let's start with a question. What do you think is the most important place in our home? It's not a bedroom, it's not the drawing room, it's not any other place, but our puja room. This is the place from which everything in our house is controlled. Our Devta, our Bhagwan, come and stay with us in this place and bless us with happiness, money, wealth, and prosperity, kids, all the things that we are looking for in our life that comes from this place. And this is the most important place that we have to really care about when we are designing our home. And if you have good space for a puja room, something like this can be considered some beautiful setup, amazing setup, 7 feet by 9 feet, and it's a wall setup entirely. We have a console in the middle. I'll give you part by part details, but let's talk about the puja room first. When we have good space, it's important that we cover the entire area properly. And when we make the design, the most important thing remains how we pray, our puja traditions. And the puja traditions entirely covers how the mandir, how the puja room, how the puja cabinet or the temple you call it, or devghar you call it, how it is designed. Let's look at this one. This has got a frame kind of design, and we have a platform in shape of a console here. We have got two heavy pillars, and the total height of the unit is 9 feet. It has got a classical South Indian style gopuram, the Venkateshwara Mandir style, and this is the overall design. We have got Hanumanji, Garudji sitting on both sides, Shanku Chakra Tika in the middle, and the gopuram design. And this all that you're looking at is teak wood, solid teak wood. You can see the grains at several places visible quite clearly. It's natural finish and matte finish, and this is complete now. The console table we have in the middle, this is 5 feet left to right. This is 12 inches, 1 feet. The platform is 1 feet and the height is 3 feet. The painting I have here is for just for representation. This is not going along with the mandir. This is our painting we have made for our puja units, our videos. But the client has a very big, a very beautiful murti of Lord Venkateshwara that he will place right in the middle. And this setup goes complete. This is a 10-inch thick pillar, 10 inches, and crafted by hand. A lot of work that you see in this is all handcrafted, made in solid teak wood. And such kind of work is possible when you have master artisans who are working with you. And these master artisans have designed thousands of temples, and we have delivered across the globe. We have delivered to 57 countries. In fact, a couple of countries we have added in just last week. So a lot of countries we are supplying to, because Sanatanis are everywhere, and we are at our roots. We stick to our roots, and we want our devta, our bhagwan, our gods to stay with us. And this is one such unit I'm showing you. I'll tell you what exactly we do at Aarsun. It's not about mandir making, it's not about furniture making, because a lot of people may be doing it across the globe, though Aarsun is the biggest mandir brand, because the designs, the variety, the number of models we have, and the kind of work we have done, you will not find anywhere across the globe, I can say that. But what really we are doing, we are making customized units, choice wala furniture I call it. But for mandir is really important. Every one of us have different ways of praying. Our puja traditions are different, our rooms are different, the space is different, our choices are different. Maybe you like this finish, this is matte finish. Someone will call it, it's a dull look, you want shiny, and that's why you want gloss. You want a darker shade, or maybe you want a very luxury look, like a opulent kind of gold finish, or some gold leafing kind of thing. So it entirely depends on us what we want. And this is what Aarsun is doing. We make everything, size, design, pattern, color, everything as per your choice. You tell us, let's say you want something different, you want om to be placed on the top, you want kirti mukh, you want some other design on this one. We are doing this, we have done this, and we have done this for thousands of clients across the globe. And the best part remains factory price, because we are making it here and you're receiving at your home. There's no middleman, no trader, no commission agent. So always the best price when you buy from Arson. So design your own home mandir freely. Let us know what you want and we will make all the changes that are possible. These days a lot of people are designing by AI, artificial intelligence, and those pictures we are converting to real units, actual units, just like this you're looking at, and we will make it and deliver right to your home in India or out of India where you want it. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.